All right, so as we know, we've got a Misfire. Looks to be on cylinder 3 and 4. I've looked at these wires just visually inspection. They look fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the plugs, check those out, and probably just go ahead and replace those. And I might go ahead and replace the wires too, just due to age and mileage. But in my experience, the misfires on these things is typically an injector, clogged injector, dirty injector. It's not always the easy spark plugs. Really, it's actually never been a spark plug, at least in my experience. So we'll be back. We're gonna All right, we've done the plugs, the wires. We had to do some injectors too, but we got the misfire cured. So what I'm using here is GM injectors. I don't really have the old ones on hand to show you, but they were pretty cruddy. I only used genuine GM injectors for the simple fact I've heard horror stories of aftermarket injectors, and I had a horror story of my own way back in the day when I was a teenager on a Corvette. So I don't really want to go down that route again. I'd rather just fix it right the first time. A lot of times you can actually pick up these injectors on eBay for pretty cheap. I think I bought this whole set for like 60 bucks. If you do enough looking and you know exactly what part number you need, sometimes you can snag a good deal, and I got all 8 for 60 bucks, so it was good to go. Now, the other code we have is an evap solenoid or evap leak. I can't remember which one it is, but it keeps popping up every time we start the truck, so we're gonna have to diagnose that. Pretty common on these things. I don't remember the code off the top of my head, but it should be a pretty easy fix, so we'll bring you in on that one next. But as of right now, no misfires, idle smooth, run smooth, so she's coming right along. She runs like a top now. Let's see if I can bring you in and show you the wires. Them's racing wires.